From the very beginning, nung nag-uusap kami, gumagawa ng mga kanta, ganyan, we have a plan, pero it's not very solid na eto na yon. So along the way, nung ginagawa namin pagsibol, pagtatag, ganyan, there's new ideas, merong ideas na napapalitan, may bago, ganyan. So for this time, in a way, nasunod pa rin naman yung gusto namin na parang yung pinakita namin ngayon sa dam is not actually the end, or it might be the end of a specific start. So kumbaga, every time, yung kagaya ng sinasabi ng kanta, pag nagsisimula ka, nagtatapos siya. Pero magsisimula ka ulit, magtatapos ulit yon. So, it's up to the viewers kung paano nila ihahanapin yung sagot or maiintindihan. Paano nila idadissect yung buong flow. But basically, yun yung giveaway namin. We start, we end, we start, we end, we start, we end. Hindi natin alam kung ano talaga yung timeline niya. Ay, hindi nyo alam kung ano talaga yung timeline niya. But every time we begin, we end it, but we begin again.
That's why it's called Infinity.
Infinity Stones.
Pero yung giveaway talaga.
Yeah, at the Alpha and Omega.
Beginning, that's why it's called that. Because like, ganun-ganun lang siya. Circle siya. No?
Yes.
Yung pinaka-giveaway is yung symbol siguro. Kasi talagang hinalantulad siya sa tree. So technically, yung germination, yung pagtubo, pagtatag, tapos magiging dot siya, which is technically end, pero seed din siya for a new beginning. So, ikaw magsasabi kung napanood mo si Simula at Wakas una, baga new listener ka ng SB19, tapos napanood mo si Pagsibol, you can still make a story out of it. Kasi parang each era can stand on its own. Parang ganun. Pero you can still connect each other.